In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play mini war here on Roblox. This is going to be the ultimate guide. We're going to walk you through everything that you need to know. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you start off, you need to focus on building up your country and making money. The best way to do this is placing basic buildings like, farms over here. You're going to also have your coal mines, your wood shops over here. And then, of course, in order to have workers that work at these places, you're going to need housing as well. So go ahead and focus on building up your residency because you'll see in the bottom right how many builders you have, your military strength, and of course, your civilians as well. That really is the core basis of the game. These guys are going to collect you a ton of money, which of course, in turn, you're going to make your way over to the buy shop and purchase things from the shopkeeper to either continue making you more money, or you're also going to purchase stuff for your military, which makes your military more powerful in the long run. When you're placing buildings, for example, you can press R to actually rotate them before placing them, so it's more efficient overall, and you can use more space. But once you actually have enough money, you need to start building up your military power by buying and placing military buildings like the armory so that you can create an army. The basic loop, though, is to build farms, collect the resources that you get from the farms itself to actually build more military power to eventually in turn conquer more stuff. Like, for example, we conquered this, and then of course it looks like we've also conquered this as well, and now our military is moving towards this area over here, where if we conquer this, we're going to go ahead and get even more civilian strength, military strength, and so much more. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.